as you can see, I broke a nail, and now it's time to replace it. I've already prepped and filed off any lifting parts. I'm adding a nail form here. I'm pinching it in the front and the back, and I'm using my Pottle as a pot. So basically, you make sure you dehydrate, and you go in and add it as a base coat. You pile up the nail, and that's about it. I like to cure mine upside down, because I like to get this beautiful apex as well. I added 3 layers, and then I decide to go into this shape. Close up your bottle. Make sure you keep debris out of your gel. Ta-da! Looks great. Alright, so I like to also remove my form and then wipe off with acetone. See? And then now it's time to file with my e-file. I actually like this cone drill bit. I think it's really, really cool. And then I take the shape down, as you can see, on the sides. So it looks, and it is shaped perfectly. If I can get it right. Now whatever, because I was going pretty fast, so whatever is out of place or has like a lump, I just go ahead and resurface that into the best, shape that, of course, it's gonna be almond. And then, of course, since I was going really fast, I did not get very close to the cuticle, and that's totally fine because we're going to save that for later. We have our Pottle files back in place, back in stock, sorry. And so those are very, very available for you right now. And also file kits as well. So look at that. What do you think? Okay, we have a little hangage here. Of course, we're going to wipe that as well. And then we're going to go around the cuticle and make sure anything that is out of place is good and prepped. Again, we're going to go ahead and you see that? There's a little lump there. I tell you, I think you have to shape nails from like maybe 4 angles. What do you think? Looks great. I'm going to go in with my nippers and take that little hangage off, any crazy cuticles that are around, and then we're going to go ahead and dehydrate that again. Wipe it off with acetone. So now I want to seal in the cuticle part. Basically, it's almost like giving yourself a refill while you're building your nail, but I just want it to be as thin as it can around the cuticle. So go ahead and give it a nice little swipe there. What do you think? I think it looks great. It's completely clear and looks really cool. Alright, so I've added some cuticle oil. It looks really good because this looks really good. This looks really good. Actually, I want to figure out how to add like more bubbles, actually. Let's make a whole design of it. I think I was saying that there was like a little bit of like a little lump there, so I want to add some top coat there, just so I can kind of be self-load. So now I've decided to add some rose gold flakes. Let them fall where they may. And then I added some top coat over that. And then I think I decided to go a little bit further with the design. I was like, and added some white to the tip, like half the tip. I was like, well, how fancy can we get, And then we went in. I actually wanted this line to be much thinner, but I think I just need to buy myself a new brush. But I do like it. I thought it was really cool. I added some more top coat. Ta-da! Looks good. And this is what I did with the rest of them. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.